officer of BRICS countries
सभी पीठासीन अधिकारीगण,
and invited nations,
सांसदगण,
esteemed members of parliament,
और सज्जनों,
ladies and gentlemen,
इस महत्वपूर्ण
it is a matter of immense pride
संसदीय मंच पर
and honor for me to represent India perspective
और इंक्लूसिव
on the topic of
आर्टिफिशियल
responsible and inclusive artificial intelligence at this important BRICS parliamentary forum.
प्रस्तुत करना मेरे लिए गर्व का विषय है। एक्सीलेंसी,
Today, AI is not merely a technology,
संसद ने
but is deeply transforming
अपने विधायी
our
कार्य को
way of life,
अधिक
work
प्रभावी,
and governance.
पारदर्शी
Every in Parliament, the use of AI is making legislative process more transparent, efficient and citizen-centric.
पहलों के माध्यम से हमने
The Digital Census Initiative has transformed the Indian Parliament into a modern, paperless and fully digital institutions. It is a platform that connects member of parliament, citizens, minister, all stakeholders, making work faster, more transparent and accessible. With the use of artificial intelligence, old bills, debates, documents and audiovisual records have been digitized to preserve our parliamentary heritage and make it accessible to all. Multilingual tools now help understand content in all of India's 22 constitutional languages, and assistive technologies ensure equal access to persons with disabilities. The Indian Parliament is the only legislature in the world that provides parliamentary documents and translation in all 22 constitutional languages to its members. Members of Parliament can now submit questions, bills, notices online through digital test bills and also mark their attendance digitally. E-voting in the House is now integrated with multimedia systems. This initiative is a historic step in aligning the Indian Parliament with the needs and expectations of 21st century. We invite BRICS members nation to experience this initiative of India enrich parliamentary cooperation through exchange of knowledge and best practices. India AI Mission, AI for All, AI for Goods, is confluence of ancient values and modern innovations. It promotes technological advancement centered around inclusion, ethics, and public welfare, where technology supports justice, equality, and human rights. In India, the use of AI is rapidly expanding in priority sectors such as health, agriculture, climate action, education, and governance. Our first indigenous foundation model and over 200 data labs stand testimony to our commitment. Through fellowship of skill building in AI, we are preparing our youth to make AI trustworthy and safe. India is conducting extensive research in DeepSeek detection, stress testing tools, and ethical AI standards, which all subscribed representative express. India has made remarkable progress in digital inclusion. India has 1.5 billion mobile subscribers for 97 million interest users. India Aadhaar platform connects over 1.3 billion people, making the world largest digital identity through the JAM identity, the Jan Dhan accounts, Aadhaar and mobile. We have revolutionary financial inclusion through direct benefits. Government subsidies are reaching the beneficiary directly, plugging leakage and saving over $33 billion, approximately 1% of India's GDP. Unified payment interface UPI has made digital payments accessible to every citizen. In March 2025 alone, UPI recorded 18 billion transactions worth 24 trillions. This transformation is rapidly propelling India towards digital and inclusive economy. During C20 presidency, India played a key role of building global consistent, responsible and ethical AI, which are also leading in developing both technical and legal solutions for data privacy. In 2026, India will proudly host the AI Impact Summit, which aims not just for the actions but for real and lasting impact. The Indian Parliament has laid down a strong legal framework for responsible and ethical AI through legislation like the IT Rules 2021 and Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, promoting innovation while protecting citizens' rights. India's rapid progress in AI domain has positioned in global AI powerhouse. We have distinct computing infrastructure, promoting indigenous models, developed public digital platform, and even invested in talent development, creating an inclusive and innovation-friendly ecosystem. I recommend that inspirational resolution passed at 149th General of the Inter-Parliamentary Excellence is the need of the hour for all nation collaboration develop a shared ethical framework of AI. Parliament must lead in empowering guiding principle and according to the mechanism of ensuring AI becomes a tool for the greater good of society. In conclusion, I reaffirm the underlining of commitment in the Indian Parliament to strengthen global cooperation of the responsible, ethical, inclusive use of AI. I am confident that BRICS countries together will lead the mission to great heights of success. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.